Let's learn types of doctors. Doctor of the heart, cardiologist. Doctor of the skin, dermatologist. Doctor of children,
Pediatrician.
Pediatrician. Doctor of the brain, neurologist. Doctor of the eyes, ophthalmologist. Doctor of bones, orthopedist. Doctor of the teeth, dentist. Doctor of surgery, surgeon. Doctor who treats cancer, oncologist. Doctor of the mind, psychiatrist. Doctor of the liver, hepatologist. Doctor of the stomach, gastroenterologist. Doctor of women, gynecologist. Doctor of ears, otolaryngologist. Doctor of lungs, pulmonologist. Doctor of animals, veterinarian. Doctor of hormones, endocrinologist. Doctor of blood, hematologist. Do you know what we call a doctor of medicines? Answer in the comments.